There were so many things that we were the first to do. I think everyone knows about the legacy with regard to the England setup and the planning that Howard does. But even on the training ground, there were some interesting sessions we did. However, there was one particular session which he never actually repeated ever again, because it was won with an imaginary ball. Here in my hand is an imaginary ball, and I'm going to roll it to you, Mel, at right back, and I want you then to pass it around the team. And wherever that ball goes, everyone has to move in relation to the ball. What the flippin' here? It gets rolled to Mel, and we're waiting. He controls it. There is no ball. He passes it to Chris White, who controls it. There is no bloody ball. It comes to me, I pass it at speed, he controls it, and he passes it to David Batty, who flicks it up, knee, shoulder, and friggin' boots it onto the other pitch.